What's up, juice lovers? Now we're gonna go over the cleaning of the X-1 Mini Pro. If you're just between recipes, you probably don't need to rinse it unless you're going from a brightly colored recipe like the carrot recipe we just made into something like a green recipe or an almond milk, because then the orange color will make its way into the next recipe a little bit. So to rinse it between recipes, you just pour a little water through the grinder and flush it by running the grinder for a second. Okay, just like that, and then we'll lift the grinder up and just wipe off any residue that might be left behind. And then we would pull out the previous recipe and throw it away or compost it. And that's simply rinsing between recipes. Now, if you needed to do a deep cleaning, which you should do at the minimum every 4 hours, or maybe at the beginning or the end of each day, then we'd actually want to disassemble the grinder. And now that we've disassembled the grinder, you can simply take all the parts to a dishwasher or a sink and wash them like any other dish in your kitchen. And for the base of the grinder, if there's some residue left behind, simply take some soap and water and just wipe it down. After it's washed with soap and water, you will want to rinse it with some clean water. Now that the grinder is clean, we can remove the parts of the press. You can take out the bag from the last recipe and throw it away. You can remove the pressing chamber. Just remove the catch tray. And now all these parts are ready to be simply carried to a dishwasher or sink for standard washing and sanitizing. Now, as a final step to cleaning the X-1 Mini, just as with any piece of kitchen equipment, you will want to sanitize it. You should follow the directions on your sanitizer solution, but for the one we use, we simply just spray it down and let it air dry. And now it's ready for use the next day. If you're looking for instructions on reassembling the machine and getting it set up, check out our other videos. And that's it, guys. Thank you. Peace, love, juice.